Hi there, it's me again. How are you? Uh, I'm good. Everything's fine. I'm working. There. I've had my coffee. And everything's set. I mean, for the day. Um, currently, I'm at peace. My mental health is stable. I don't know if you can call it stable, but anyways, I'm good. Everything's good. Everything's going okay. Nako sa kwarto. And Kuya CJ is cooking downstairs. Um, how how was I for the past? How are we? How are we for the past few days? Um, the past few days everything's good, peaceful. Um, I've come to love the silence. Na ay times nga kanang like kanang kumingitaw lingaw, laan. Then again, um, mas mudaog yun ang nara sa balay nagpundo nana. Aside sa wala ko'y kwarta, aside sa wala ko'y kwarta kuan sad. I don't know, nahimot akong kag. And I can get realization recently. I can get realizations recently, and I think it's good. It's healthy. I've come to love the slow-paced life. Um, I've had a lot of time and had a lot of silence to think. Um, Kailan bang kapila naman to. Kadali lang sa gid kimrod. Nanawag ang work. I'll be right back. Anyway, so that was just a very brief cut. I just had to check my inbox, no? So, mao to, I've had a lot of time to think. I've come to realize I mean, the loudest thought, the heaviest thought I've had na magsibalik-balik sa akong utok, wow, Tagalog. Utok this past few days kay um all the people I've encountered um doesn't know how to love me properly. I'm craving to be loved, like how I love, ano lang. So I've decided nga it's really not a big loss or big of an impact. Then nasa ko nabasahan nga dili ma-pressure if we're turning 26 or 27. Ah, hmm, lag, lag ba? Anyways, um, if you could remember sa ato ang past ni video kay we were very upset because we're almost 30. We're almost 30 na. We're nearing that age. But then I came across a post that assured us that every year counts. So, um, kana not to be pressured if we're crossing or if we're getting that line. Thankful lang da always nga nakaabot ta na idara and make sure that make sure to honor every year because every year counts. Na reason anyways nakat siya ako na siya isun. So na reason nga nung wala ta na settle sa age nga we thought we were settling down at the age of 25. Um, paspas kay ta sa I don't know, nganong inato bitaw ko ay nganong gadali ko. I was thought I was thinking I thought na we're running out of years. Um, anyway, so that post really made a huge impact, made a really huge impact on me. No, every year counts. 26 onwards, 26 up to 32. Every year counts. You have to honor every year. You have to acknowledge every year. So we still have a lot of time to go. We still have a lot of time to think, to establish more footwork. Dili siya nga footwork nga literal, but footwork in life. We have to find our stability, our stance. And that's okay if we're starting from scratch. We all start from the bottom. Unless anak ka og contractor. But that's the point. This is the path that is laid out for us by whoever wrote our destiny, and it's up to us on how to ride out these waves. Dili lang kita magpada sa current, and nice kay view ang outside. Busy akong work. I'll be right back. Anyways, so dito siya akong realization, ana lang. And then it doesn't have uh we don't have to rush everything, no. Um I've come to realize nga all along, kaya sayop day ako ang mga ginapambuhat. Like, I've been rushing things. But I think it's okay. It's a learning curve for me, for us. And you might not be where you are right now if we hadn't realized that we had to take steps slowly. Ano lang, I'm very grateful for everything I have had. Although nangayo gyapon ko ni Lord o chance na mapuna na tong income, but what's for me will always find its way to me. And I think the greatest lesson and win I had this year was to come into realization na um, the greatest person I could love and that could love me is myself. And so long as I'm enough for God, I should be enough for the world. That should be enough reason and purpose to live. Although I still haven't figured out unsa gyud akong like, am I, unsa gyud akong tuyo, I mean, unsa akong purpose, no, like in a deeper, if you ask me on a deeper level, I don't know if I am I will be a mom, I'll be an aunt, um, I'll be the first person to have to be the first millionaire sa family. I still don't know. And not knowing things is okay. We have to stop obsessing over the fact nga kinahanglan ta makahibaw sa tanan. Because I think that's not how the world works. Every day is a chance to figure out what's in for you today, what will be there for you tomorrow, and what we should take away from all the yesterdays we've had. Ano lang, and and I am very proud, I'm very proud of what we achieved this year. I think slowly, makaingon ko nga I've gained emotional and mental independence. Um, and I we know sa atong kagalingon nga we really love to be in that social circle. But this year I've realized nga above anything, it is your peace that will matter most. Ano siya, your peace, the silence that's not deafening, um, the silence that's comforting, um, the time you'll have for yourself to think, anak lang. I think that's what we had embraced most. It's okay to be alone. It's okay to be in silence. Um, Boring doesn't have to be bad. Sometimes boring is good. I mean, not sometimes, all the time, because you have time to think for yourself for what um, the reason could have been for what had happened, um, and what might be in store for you in the future. And um, I think that's the biggest takeaway I had this year, and I'm very proud of us. I see us. Um, I see us being successful next year. Again, we'll have a recap of all our goals. January is for Sun Life. This um, today is 15, so by 17, we'll have the deed of sale for our property. So by January, that will be for Sun Life and isa pa? Sun Life and Survey, I think. That's for the two paydays. February, that's for hopefully new phone by February. New phone. I know. January is pa survey o pa OB. February is Sun Life. So which is Sun Life. Sun Life o new phone. Hopefully by March, mag-focus na ako tanan akong energy and tanan akong goals kay dapat siya sa motor. I think I deserve that. I deserve to have the good things in life without having to be guilty of what I can't provide to all the loved ones I have, because I've come to understand, no, although I love them, but I cannot sustain them all the time. So that's where I'm coming from. Anyways, it's a very productive year. It had its share of twists that the me from last year wouldn't have thought we will be here. Now those twists, or will encounter those twists. I think I think that's what I have to share. No, dili man perfect year. I might have taken a step back from sharing what I have planned or all. As in, like, ni pull out yun ko te. Ni pull out yun only a few of those that we knew what's going on about our lives. And we've come to love the time that we had for ourselves. I don't know. I hope dili ka boringan anino. This is a recap of all our realizations and all. And it's we're going to be celebrating our we're going to be celebrating our 1 year anniversary of being single this coming January 10. And I think that's the greatest gift that God, Santo Niño, had given us. Our peace of mind. Can't be more great. Anyways, I'm trying to grow my hair out. I don't know if it will work. Hopefully it would. But if it won't, then it's okay. We cannot control everything. We can't force everything to follow a line, an invisible line. So, que sera, que sera, sera. And hopefully mapunan pa ni nga video before the year ends. And hopefully by next week, no, we'll have a recap of what we've been through this year, what our key takeaways were. Hopefully it would make sense. Hopefully it would help you there. And that's it. This is Ate Jo. See you soon.